Dusk settles over the backyard, but something is wrong at the WonderGate. The glow sprites, usually so steady, are flickering in a panicked, broken mess. One pulses like a frantic heartbeat, while another barely glows at all. Chewie tilts his head, his ears drooping in confusion, and Bubbles lets out a series of discordant, worried clucks. William reaches out, his hand trembling slightly as he touches the cold wood. "Glow sprites, your rhythm is all mixed up," he whispers. Suddenly, the frame shudders, emitting a warm pink-gold pulse that lights up the darkening grass. A new symbol burns deep into the grain of the gate. A rhythmic beat pulse pattern, flashing tap, tap, tap in a bright light. Bubbles pecks the glowing icon, and the very air ripples open like water. The trio shrinks down,
stepping through the portal into the vibrant Rhythm Meadow. Here, the world moves to a hidden song.
Flowers bounce in time to an invisible bass line, and small pebbles hop across the dirt like tiny drum beats. But in the center,
the massive rhythm tree is failing, its branches flickering wildly and causing the local sprites to stumble midair.
William approaches a heavy stone tablet displaying 3 ancient symbols for slow, medium, and fast beats. He tries to help,
tapping the slow icon with his finger. Instead of calming down, the tree responds with a terrifying high-speed strobe light.
Chewie barks and lunges at the medium icon, but the tree only stutters into a painful, sluggish crawl. Finally, Bubbles pecks the fast icon in desperation. The light vanishes completely, leaving the tree pitch black. The meadow falls silent, the rhythm broken. The group pauses, realizing that simple tapping isn't enough to fix this mechanical heartbeat. 3 floating rhythm sprites drift through the air, each pulsing at a distinct, steady speed. William sees the solution.
"We have to match them!" he cries. He reaches up, catching the slow-moving sprite and gently aligning it with the first icon.
Chewie follows his lead, using his nose to nudge the steady, medium-paced sprite into the center slot. Bubbles flutters upward, guiding the quick, flashing sprite to the final position.
As the last sprite clicks into place, the rhythm tree erupts. A magnificent golden glow washes over the meadow. The chaotic flickering vanishes instantly, replaced by a perfect synchronized pulse that beats like a giant heart. The glow sprites swirl overhead in a beautiful, harmonious dance of light. William claps his hands, laughing as the music returns to the land. When we follow the beat together, everything feels smooth and fun. Chewie taps his paw against the grass, the meadow echoing his steady rhythm. The WonderGate glows one last time,
pulling them back to the safety of their backyard. The sprites now hover peacefully above the gate in perfect unison.
William looks down as his backpack emits a warm light. A new symbol has appeared, a glowing friendship feather. "Featherfield wants us next," William says with a smile. The gate snaps shut with a final, melodic chime.